Hello there YouTubers, it's me SuperDave001 and it's not really long time no see, but you may know that I've been working on a game development project called Red and Green, and you may have been on my blog, you may have found it or you may not have. I don't think I've posted a link to it on here, but I think I posted a link to my YouTube channel from my blog, so you know. But I'll post a link to my blog from here, but yeah, I've decided to work on a new project. And don't worry, all of you who've ever played Red and Green, which is probably none of you, I'm still going to work on it. Although this is going to be a heck of a lot better. But unfortunately, I'm going to be a bit mean in that I'm going to sell it. Not for much though. Don't panic. But I will warn you, it's still ridiculously early in development, so let me just show you through what I've got so far. Now, this is more just a test at the minute. This is literally just me testing mechanics and early development and all that blah de blah. But you can see the image of a smiley face. I think the smiley face is going to be the main character, but the project's called Bounce anyway. And so yeah, that's the simple bit to it, but let me show you what I've got so far. Now this is a lot better than stuff I've been doing before. Red and Green used regular old Java. This is using regular Java plus LWJGL with its OpenGL inside, which basically means, you know, you've got VBOs, you've got rendering techniques, you've got things that will speed the game up a heck of a lot. But you've also got texture manipulation, image manipulation, and eventually, dare I say it, 3D. So that's something for you to look forward to. And combined with that, I'm also using JBox 2D. Now you may know Box 2D as the engine that created Angry Birds. But this is it being ported after being This is it ported into Java. So yeah, so what have I got at the minute? Well, I've got the smileys. That one doesn't do anything. That one's just literally testing that the texture system works, which is PNG decoder plus a little bit of my code. This one is testing the physics, and there's an invisible wall there. I'm just going to tell you before you get confused. It's an invisible wall because I haven't bothered to draw it. The wall system is going to take me a long time to make. So what have I got? Well, I've got this central crosshair. And if you click outside of it, it doesn't do anything at the minute. But if you click inside it and then drag out and then let go, I can fire it. It bounces up, and I can also move it to the side and make it roll, and it'll keep moving and eventually grind to a halt. I just thought I'd make this video just for some information, some early mechanics, stuff like that. But this game is going to be in development for a good while. It's got a way to go before it's done. But eventually, in fact, I'm going to be converting it to 2D, 3D. So that's 2D physics with JBox, and 3D graphics, which will look just sweet. And I'm going to be doing some 3D modeling for that, and I'll probably release a 3D image of that along with this video. So yeah, you've got a lot to look forward to. Now, when I say I'm going to sell it, I'm not going to sell it for any more than a quid. It's going to be like an App Store price, only I don't know how to develop for the App Store. It's not going to be much at all. In fact, the more people that eventually buy it, the cheaper I'll make it. Because you can make it cheaper once more people buy it, because then you don't need to make as much money. Of course, that's exactly the opposite way to how most modern business works. Once a product gets really popular, they'll bang the price up, because people will still possibly pay for it anyway. But nonetheless, unlike everyone else in the world of business, I'm not a crook. And then before any business person says that, I'm not referring to them personally. I'm not referring to anyone. It's just let's drop the subject. So, as well as this, I've got certain other mechanics, such as the translating thing. It lags a bit because I'm recording, but it's supposed to run at 60 frames a second and it's V-synced. Probably should have turned that off actually, but it's V-synced, so it'll be down to 30 frames a second and fluctuate a bit. Also, I've got a zooming mechanic, and as you can see, the images are well bitmapped. There is a glitch there that it keeps bouncing. That's not my fault, that's JBox 2D. Stop bouncing, silly thing. Yeah, you can zoom into the image, and the smiley face grows. See, it stopped now. yeah, they grow, and yeah, it's just things that are going to come in useful later. So I just wanted to show you this just to say this is what's coming up, and you know, get excited, because this game is going to be a heck of a lot better than Red and Green. I'll tell you that for starters, and you know, you're going to enjoy it. So looking forward to releasing it, although it's a long way off. Again, it's in development. I'll hopefully be able to release versions of it during development, perhaps for a reduced price. But then, of course, you can tell me what I'm doing completely and utterly wrong, and what I'm doing maybe a little bit right, if there's anything that I've done right. So, you know, look forward to releasing it. So I'll see you next time. Please subscribe and whatnot, and please go on my blog, and please generally look around it, and don't forget to keep checking up on it, because I'll be updating this thing. I'll be releasing footage of it. Eventually I'll be releasing the game, but so yeah, for now, see you next time.